ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம இன்றைக்கி ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட் மற்றும் சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட் எக்ஸாமுக்கான இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் MCQ கிளாஸ் 7 வீடியோ பார்க்கலாம். வாங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த சேனல் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், விச் இஸ் த மோஸ்ட் காமன் கேன்சர் அசோசியேட்டட் வித் எய்ட்ஸ்? ஆப்ஷன் ஏ லுக்கீமியா, ஆப்ஷன் பி காப்போசி சார்கோமா, ஆப்ஷன் சி அடினோஸ் கார்சினோமா, option D osteosarcoma. Answer option B Kaposi sarcoma. Second question, Montague's test is a sensitivity test for option A tuberculosis, option B AIDS, option C allergic disorders, option D bronchial asthma. Answer option A tuberculosis. Third question, which assessment finding after an amniotomy needs to be conducted first? Option A cervical dilatation, option B bladder distension, option C fetal heart rate pattern, option D maternal blood pressure. Answer option C fetal heart rate pattern. Fourth question, most probable reason for massive rectal bleeding in 70 years old patient is option A colitis, option B carcinoma colon, option C hemorrhoid rupture, option D polyps. Answer option C hemorrhoid rupture. Fifth question, what is the most common malignant tumor of the GI tract? Option A colonic carcinoma, option B esophageal carcinoma, option C anorectal carcinoma, option D stomach carcinoma. Answer option A colonic carcinoma. Sixth question, lack of oxygen in the bloodstream is option A apnea, option B anoxia, option C hypoxemia, option D cyanosis. Answer option C hypoxemia. Seventh question, which of the following method is considered a dark blood MRA technique? Option A SSFP MRA, option B time of flight MRA, option C gadolinium enhanced MRA, option D susceptibility weighted MRA. Answer option D susceptibility weighted MRA. Eighth question, blood in an artery with mean velocity of 50 cm per second flow perpendicularly into a 2 cm thick slice. At what value of TR is flow related enhancement maximized? Option A 10 millisecond, option B 20 millisecond, option C 30 millisecond, option D 40 millisecond. Answer option D 40 millisecond. Ninth question, hematoma has been avoided by option A correct application of dressing, option B correct application of pressure, option C correct application of lotions, option D correct application of antibiotics. Answer option B correct application of pressure. 10th question, what is the solution for steam inhalation? Option A tincture benzoin, option B hydrogen peroxide, option C potassium permanganate, option D spirit. Answer option A tincture benzoin. 11th question, identify the image. Option A, biohazards. Option B, radiation. Option C, do not smoke. Option D, cytotoxic. Answer option A, biohazards. 12th question. The inflammation and degeneration of liver parenchyma is referred as option A, jaundice. Option B, cirrhosis. Option C, cystitis. Option D, colitis. Answer option B, cirrhosis. 13th question. The major target tissue for glucagon is the option A, heart. Option B, liver. Option C, brain. Option D, stomach. Answer option B, liver. 14th question. Identify the image. Option A, pedia drip set. Option B, micro drip set. Option C, macro drip set. Option D, adult drip set. Answer option A, pedia drip set. 15th question. When was started Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in India? Option A, 2nd September 2014. Option B, 15 August 2014. Option C, 2nd October 2013. Option D, 2nd October 2014. Answer option D, 2nd October 2014. 16th question. Which vaccine used for the prevention of cervical cancer? Option A, HPV vaccine. Option B, DPT vaccine. Option C, IPV vaccine. Option D, hepatitis vaccine. Answer option A, HPV vaccine. 17th question. Which of the following is a basic element of experimentation? Option A, manipulation. Option B, randomization. Option C, control. Option D, all of these. Answer option C, control. 18th question. Which of the following is the most important tool of research? Option A, hypothesis. Option B, diagnosis. Option C, review of literature. Option D, problem statement. Answer option A, hypothesis. 19th question. How to spread cancer in human body? Option A, by the skin. Option B, by the blood. Option C, by the lymphatic system. Option D, B and C. Answer option D, B and C. 20th question. VP shunt is the surgical management for option A, ASD. Option B, spina bifida. Option C, brain tumor. Option D, hydrocephalus. Answer option D, hydrocephalus.